So we're looking to Bitcoin price. Let's look to the Bitcoin price. The Moon Boys have no clue. Nobody knows in which direction the price will go. It's very sad, yeah, if the people who have big channels not know in which direction the Bitcoin price will go. It's very sad because they can then make a performance in a circus. This is the same. Uh, let's look here inside, yeah, more in detail so that we understand the structure. What you can see here. You can see that this year and this year are in the same area. That means we make a retest. Yeah? That means, okay, we can reach this level, make a retest, and it is possible that we make a second retest of this level. Yeah? Something like that. But I think even if we make this and uh, this structure make no sense. Yeah? That means um, we already, if you look here to the RSI, we already reach here overbought situation. And that's the dangerous point here. You can see the price is overbought at 56. If I change the view to for our chart, then you can see we are reaching the 60 level. And I want to you that is a point that I not like. Yeah, this is the same point like this. Yeah, if you look here, that was the point we make a retest of these levels here. You can see the result. The price is going here to the downside. And now let's look. This was a retest. This point was a retest from this point. And you can see this is a retest from this level. And this is a weak support. So this makes no sense. So even if we make a retest, we have to go to solve this problem, we have to go to these levels, yeah. And then we can talk about the price action to these levels. Let's look here to these levels. And then we can really talk about the situation. Okay, the price of BTC hit this so that we can say, okay, we break this and so on. Even if the price goes to these levels, we have not the situation to break. Why? You can see we test this level so much, broke this level, and never, never in the history it is happening that we're going after a break, we're going direct to the upside. That is not happening. Yeah. So the only what we have is a retest of some key levels that is happening at the moment. And after testing of these key levels, then finally the price of BTC will go to these levels. I think after the Fed meeting we will landing at 10,000. If this is not happening, I think we will see a price below 20,000 so that we finally make this movement to the downside. The only benefit is we are then out of this negative channel. Yeah. I think after the meeting of the Fed, we will landing here at these levels, 19,000. If this is happening, we are then out of this positive trend line. Yeah, you can see I make this in red so that the moon boys can see this also. And if this is happening, then we are out of this negative or positive trend channel and will fall or drop to the downside. Yeah. So let's look. This is if we reach the red line, 100% sure that we'll reach the 10,000. If we only make small moves like this, then we have to look again to the price. Yeah. So even if we make here so small movements, okay, then when we make a retest of this level, yeah, so what? Then the fall is even harder to the downside. So you can see here two double top. So we have to look, yeah, which manipulation the whales then make. Yeah, we have here um, some possibilities. One possibility is this, the second possibility is this, and the third possibility, what I not believe, is that. Why I not believe in that? Because you can see we are at 56 levels. Okay, we could reach even more like this left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. But so what? Yeah, so even if you reach this level, let's say 29, 28,000, the fall and drop is even harder. Yeah, so but if you look here more inside to the structure, let's look here, then you can see we reach here, let's say 50% of the uptrend, yeah, or 60%. So we need here a drop, and the second wave is coming here. So the performance in which we can expect here 28, 30,000 is low. You can see we drop here. Now retest. The only retest was here one time, and the second time to break is not possible. To say okay, after the second test we break here to the upside is not possible. So that we have to go here to these levels, and if we go to these levels, you can see we lose here energy. And that's the point. If we lose here energy, the next point is to the downside. Yeah. So I would say stay on the channel. Let's look if this play out or turn out, and then we can make, I would say next week, uh, another analyze, and then we can look more exactly and detail to the price. But I'm honest to you, this is relatively difficult to predict because it's a key level or key position in which we have to normally break out to the upside. Yeah, you can see the day of the Fed meeting is coming closer. Yeah, in 2 days. Yeah, and, in 2 days, reach 28,000, 29,000, 30,000 is not possible at this moment. Yeah, I think the 50% here is a sign for us that BTC not cannot decide um, to go upside or to the drop, and the big moves. Yeah, before the big move is coming, the RSI is every time 50%. Yeah, so I expect here a drop. Let's look. Have a nice day.